CLONARD Monastery to Cultúrlann, 15 minutes. A 15-minute walk will take us to Cultúrlann, our next stop. Walk along until you come to the Springfield Road, Grosvenor Road junction. The Grosvenor Road was once dominated by Dunville's Royal Irish Distillery, founded by William Dunville and James Craig, the father of the first Prime Minister of Northern Ireland, James Craig, or Lord Craigavon, in 1870. Dunville's was a vast, modern plant which produced 2.5 million gallons of proof spirit annually. By 1900, Dunville's, together with two other Belfast distilleries, was producing 60% of Ireland's whisky exports. The distillery closed in 1935. At the Springfield Road, Grosvenor Road junction, use the lights to cross over to the left-hand side of the Falls Road and continue up past the Royal Victoria Hospital. Watch out for the faces in the railings as you walk past, which represent past patients. You will also notice the X's and Y's in the railings outside the Children's Hospital, which represent a DNA chain. Continue on up the road for about 10 minutes until we reach Cultúrlann on the left, shortly after the turn for Broadway.